Hello everyone, this is Shivangi ma'am here. I'm here to teach standard 1 SST chapter 4. Okay, so I have completed chapter 1, 2 and 3. I hope you all have completed all the question answer and word meaning work. And now we'll move on to the last chapter which is chapter 4. Okay, and the name of this chapter is Me and My Friends. So, before starting this chapter, here is some एक story है. We'll read it out. Okay. There was a big lion. One day he caught a mouse. So it's talking about one jungle, and inside that jungle, one lion was there, and he caught a mouse one day. The mouse was saying, "Please let me go." Mouse कह रहा था कि let me go, मुझे जाने दो. The lion felt sorry for the mouse. He let him go. Okay, so after that, this lion felt sorry that why he caught him, and then he left him. उसने उसको जाने दिया, right? After some days, the lion was caught in a net. उसके कुछ दिन बाद lion घूम रहा था एक जंगल में, and he get caught in a net. वो जो net लगाते हैं शिकारी, वो उस net में फंस गया. Okay? Then he was asking for help, please help me, make me out of this net. Then the mouse and his friends cut the net. The lion was free. After that, when mouse heard the voice of the lion that he was asking for help, then mouse and his friends came and net जो था वो उसको कट कर दिया, और वो लायन रिलीज हो गया, उस नेट में से फ्री हो गया, राइट. एंड उसके बाद लायन को अच्छा लगा कि उसकी हेल्प की माउस ने, एंड ही सेड थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स. ओके, नाउ वी लर्न गुड मैनर्स एट होम एंड इन स्कूल. वी ग्रीट आवर एल्डर्स. सो वी जो भी हम लोग अच्छे मैनर्स, गुड मैनर्स कहाँ से सीखते हैं? वी लर्न इट एट होम with parents, and at school teachers teach us the good manners. Okay, we also greet our elders. We give respect to our elders. Okay, some magic words that I say. Now what are the magic words that we say? Some magic words are there are 6 magic words. First one is please. We say please when we want something from anyone. Okay, we say please, we request when we want something. Okay, we say sorry if we hurt someone. अगर हम किसी को दुख पहुंचाते हैं, then we apologize, हम accept करते हैं और हम sorry बोलते हैं, right? We say thank you when someone gives me something. So whenever someone gives us anything, we say thank you to them. We thank to them for that. Okay. It's all right when someone says sorry to us. When someone says sorry, apologize for their mistake, we say it's okay. Okay? हम क्या कहते हैं? It's okay friend, कोई बात नहीं. Okay? Welcome. When someone says thank you to me, we say welcome. So when someone, कोई भी अगर आपको thank you कहता है, तो आप in return क्या कहते हो? Welcome friend. Okay? Excuse me when I sneeze. or if you want to start a conversation या फिर किसी से भी कुछ बात करनी होती है, first interaction आप करते हो, तो you will say excuse me, please excuse me. Okay, this is what I do. I walk in a line in school. I do not push others. Good manners has some of the things that good manners include is, first one is students should walk in a line and do not push each other. एक दूसरे को धक्का नहीं देना चाहिए. like आप जब असेंबली में या फिर कहीं भी एक लाइन बना के रहते हो, स्कूल में भी, then teachers कहते हैं ना आपको कि do not push each other. एक लाइन और एक maintain, you have to maintain distance and अपनी appropriate line में रहो, right? I wait for my turn to speak. I never shout in class. So you should never shout in class. आप देखते हो कि टीचर हमेशा आपको चुप कराने के लिए परेशान रहते हैं. So इसमें आपको क्या, गुड मैनर्स वाले स्टूडेंट को क्या करना चाहिए? They should remain silent. Unnecessarily बोलना नहीं चाहिए, and You should wait for your turn. अपनी बारी आने के लिए वेट करना चाहिए and then बोलना चाहिए, right? I share my things with others. I help my friends. So sharing, आपने सुना होगा sharing is caring. अगर आप शेयर करते हो तो इससे आपकी शेयरिंग नेचर और काइंड नेचर शो होती है. ओके, सो जो भी चीज़ें मतलब मोस्टली आपको शेयर करके हैप्पीली सब कुछ करना चाहिए और आपको हेल्प भी करनी चाहिए अपने फ्रेंड्स की जब उन्हें ज़रूरत हो. I throw waste in the dustbin. I keep my house clean. This is also a very important part of good manners. You should keep yourself also clean and where जहाँ आप रहते हो उसको भी clean, साफ सुथरा रखना चाहिए. Okay? Read what these children are saying. I do not waste paper. I keep my classroom clean. I save water. I love plants and animals. So these are some kinds of good manners one should always follow and one should have. Okay? So this chapter is completed. The word meaning and question answer work I'll provide you through WhatsApp group. Stay home, stay safe.